Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm going to make 2 DIY traps to get rid of common flies and fruit flies. Now, common flies can be a big nuisance in your backyard if you're having some food. They're always attracted to the food. So these traps will come in really handy to get rid of those common flies. Fruit flies are prolific reproducers. They multiply like crazy. There's a fruit fly here that just laid eggs and walked away. To remedy the situation, I'm going to make 2 DIY traps. The first one is made using vinegar and the second one is made using active dry yeast. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first trap is made using vinegar and it is very effective in catching common flies inside the house or in the backyard. To make the trap, use half cup of water in the plastic bottle and cut the top part of the plastic bottle. The top part of the bottle will be used as a lid to secure the trap. Use 5% acidity vinegar and add half a cup of vinegar to the bottle. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap. Stir the solution well with the spoon and the vinegar fly trap is ready. Take the top cut part of the bottle and place it inverted on top of the bottle. This will create a lid with a very small opening for the flies to enter. Place the trap in a desired location and the flies will be able to enter the trap but will have trouble getting out of the trap. After a few days, the results are obvious. This trap catches a lot of flies. Use active dry yeast to make the second trap. Add active dry yeast to plastic bottles. Heat the water to 110 degrees Fahrenheit and add warm water to the active dry yeast in the bottles. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar to activate the dry yeast. Place top cut part of the bottle upside down on the bottle. Place the yeast trap in a desired location. After a few days, the trap is filled with fruit flies. This trap is very successful in catching fruit flies. As you can see, there is a fruit fly caught right there in the trap. This trap certainly diminishes the fruit flies. I really hope you found this video informative and I'll see you in another video.